Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's TECHTIP. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. TECHTIP, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. So I'm going to show you when using Screencastify how to save your videos so that you are able to use them when creating movies or rap videos or retirement videos, how to save it correctly using an MP4. So what you're going to do is this screen pops up after you're done recording your video, and you're just going to go over here. You could name it first, so I'll just call it Tech Tip Tuesday. Download and export as MP4. So then I'm just going to click export, and then down here it'll load, and then you're going to click download. And what that does, it'll save it right to your computer, and it'll also save to your drive. And that is the file, the MP4, that you want to share out with your students or with whoever that they will be able to use and download and edit. So MP4 is the file you want to save, not WebM. Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here. So I hope you all have a wonderful holiday break. Enjoy this time off with your families. I hope everyone stays safe and relaxes. My tech tip for you, turn off all the technology. Take a week off. Before you do so though, be sure to wish our teachers a farewell. Tomorrow is the last day for Mrs. Kozlowski, Mrs. LaPiccolo, and Mrs. Urso. And then Mrs. Tanner is retiring in February. These are 4 staples of Brackman, and they will truly be missed. So please send your teachers an email, wish them well, share a favorite memory, and say farewell. Remember, once a Bulldog, always a Bulldog. We love you all and wish you nothing but the best in retirement.